Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have benzene and you have another ring which is with carbonyl and continuous oxygen bond, and you are using the light and sodamide and ammonia. You should find what will be the final product. Here the starting middle is interesting because you have continuous oxygen. It is like peroxide. It has two lone pairs in the system. The lone pairs are aggressive, so it will break easily by the light. So signing of light breaks OO bond. You have two CO2 radical there. CO2 is a very good leaving group, so you have CO2 elimination. Two leaving groups are in the same system, so you have triple bond, which is benzene formation. Then you are using sodamide and ammonia. Finally, you end up with aniline. The concept you have to learn here is whenever there is a two leaving group in the benzene system, you might expect benzene. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.